Hello everyone, welcome to the new session. Let's start today's session. I hope you can see the screen. If you can see the screen, write a yes. And chalo, I'll just start the session in a minute. Hi guys, can you hear me? If you can hear me, just write a yes in the chats and then we will start. Hi Nivya, hi Savan, hi everyone, how are you guys doing that? Hi Swati Jaiswal, hi Abhishek, hi Dhara, hi Jayant. Hi everyone, hi how you guys are doing up? कैसे हो सब? Hi Mansa, hi Louis. Okay guys, let's start today's session. It is an English class, okay? And here we go. So today we are going to learn about this. Strike price, Nifty, ITM, ATM, OTM. And before that, we are also going to learn about options and I'll just show you. Let's go with the class. Let everyone join. And if you can hear me clearly and you can see the screen clearly, please write a yes in the chats, everyone. Please write a yes in the chats if you can hear me clearly and see the screen clearly. Today we are going to learn about option Greeks number one. What are option Greeks? Okay, what are option Greeks? So the formation of the premiums. You guys trade Nifty Bank Nifty, right? You guys trade Nifty Bank Nifties. Okay. So you would have seen that if you are buying a strike price of 16,600 CE, 16,000 CE, chalo, for example, it is available at how much? 100 rupees. It is available at how much? 100 rupees. Okay. Now, if you're buying this 16,000 CE at 100 rupees, how this price is formed, how this 100 rupees of premium is formed. This is formed by option Greeks. We don't know how many sessions left, Hamantu, but let's go, let's learn first, okay? Option Greeks. Delta is known as time decay. So the decay of time comes under delta. What is delta? Decay of time. So you would know in option selling by any chance when you sell options or you have seen the expiry graph, right? In the last session, I taught you about this graph, which is known as a expiry time graph, where the contracts are produced 120 days ago and it expires after 120 days on the Thursday. Remember, everyone, please write yes if you remember. Please write yes in the chats if you remember this. Yes, right? Okay. So, as the last class we remember, there was something known as expiry time decay. Okay. Now, in expiry time decay, this plays a role which is known as delta. Okay, so this time decay is delta, which is a part of formation of the premium. Then comes in the role theta. Theta is percent of change in asset. So, for example, Nifty goes from 18,000 to 19,000. What is the percent of change in the asset? It is known as theta. Clear, everyone? What is known as theta? The percent of change in asset. Okay. Now comes Vega. Vega is volatility in the market. Vega is volatility, volatility. Okay, sorry. The volatile market, basically. This word is not so easy for me. Volatility, okay. Volatile market, basically. So the more the volatile the market is, the change in Vega will be as according to that. So the volatile market, it's because of Vega. So if the market volatility increases, the Vega value increases, and that's how when the option sellers are a little care of. Okay. And when it comes to the option buyers, Vega always, the volatile market always favors the option buyers because the price increases of the premiums. Coming to the gamma, gamma is difference in the percentage of delta under the different strike price. So, for example, the strike price is 18,000, 18,200. Gamma is difference in percentage of delta, percent of change in delta. Okay. So till now we have seen delta is time decay, theta is percent of change in asset, vega is volatility in the market, okay, gamma is percent of change in delta, and rho is interest rates. So you know, right? Banks also produce interest rates, and they change some interest rates, some things happen. So this is all about rho. And rho is slightly negligible, so you don't actually need to learn this rho because people don't even count this. So just for your case, I've told you this rho. Okay, these are all the things for option Greeks. These option Greeks combine a lot and then they form the intrinsic value with the intrinsic value. These are the things that place the action over the premiums. Okay. After this, there's something known as in the money, out the money, at the money. ATM का full form is at the money. ITM full form is in the money. OTM full form is out of the money. Clear, everyone? Clear, in the money, out the money, at the money, everyone? In the money, okay. Then comes out of the money, okay. And then comes at the money. Clear, everyone? Okay. So these in the money, at the money, and out of the money are classified in the strike price, which is contracts. So, for example, right now, let's assume Nifty spot price is 17,450. What is spot price? Current price. CMP. Current market price. Okay. For example, Nifty right now is valued at 17,450, which is what? Spot price. Nitish Nigam Singh comes with another doubt. Give a call under 5K, which is profitable. Nitish, please do equity then, sir. Please do equity. Follow the rules, okay? If you think 5,000 mein you can make 1K every day, that's making 5K ka 30K every day. That's really not possible. Okay, if you guys think if 5,000 will go 30,000 every month for next 12 months, that's not possible. Once it is possible, twice it is possible, but every month making 30,000 or 50,000 of the capital of 5K, not possible. So increase your capital if you want to do FN also, please. Okay. And please ask the doubts related to the topic. I would love to hear the doubts related to the topic. Then at the last, please ask these doubts. Now, guys, Nifty 17,450 is the spot price, which is the current market price. This is the graph of ITM, ATM, OTM. So, for example, current market price is this. This is how it goes. Okay. The current market price goes for the ATM at the money because at market current levels. Now, tell me ITM is in the money. So what will be the inner value? 17,400 will be the inner value or 500 will be the inner value? Tell me guys. If if for example current market is at 17,450, what will be the inner value? 400 will be the inner value, this, or this 500, 600 will be the inner value? Inner, okay? Got it right, Shashank? 17,400. Bharti ma'am, how 500? Inner, I'm not talking about the outer. Inner value. In, not out. So inner will be like this. So similarly, these all below 17,450 will be your in the money. These are all your in the money strike prices. Similarly, what is out the money for calls? This. The more you learn this, the better you learn this, the better it is for you. And in puts, it is just quite opposite. It is just quite opposite. Muhammad, it is just inner and outer value, nothing else. If something is, chalo, let's do this. Okay, easy for you. This is 17,450. Okay. Now tell me if I want to place this 17,400 inner, I will place this inside this or outside? Inner value. कहाँ place करेंगे बताओ? If 17,450 is the bubble, I want to place 17,450 inside. How will I place this? I'll go outside the boundary or inside. Yeah, not let's ignore IN also. Let's ignore IN. If I want to place 17,400, what will be the most easiest way? Inside or outside? You can say, sir, 17,450 is here. Maybe possible 17,400 is also here. Inside value. Outside, the barrier is 17,500 and outside it is 17,550. So this is very easy case, inside and outside. You can learn, yeah, it is normal. Yes, Bharti ma'am. So this is the graph and जिसको याद नहीं हो रहा है, the human who is not able to understand this, mug it up. Learn this. By heart this. Okay. Clear everyone? You need to learn this. Now you will be asking me a question. What you will be asking me a question? Sir, why we are learning this? Sir, why we are learning this? So this is for you to be safe in F and O, futures and options. How? When you trade in the money, these are most risky. Okay, these are most risky. So you don't start with in the money. You never start with in the money. Always go for OTMs. Always go for OTMs. Clear everyone? OTMs. Clear? Batao. Never ever ever go for this or this. Always go for OTM. Premium will be low in out the money. Let me show you. For example, let's just open Opstra. Okay, I'll just log in. Give me 1 second. Okay, check this out, guys. Can you see the graph over here? Okay, see this. This is the at the money ATM. This yellow in the sense of long position. Telling, Lewis, telling. 16,600. See this? At the money. This yellow line. Now just check the below. Where while you increase the numbers over here, the contract strike prices, the value will decrease. So these are more safer. Like, see, this is 8 rupees, okay, and the above you go is 800, 900, 1,000 rupees. Now understand this very easy concept, okay. 8 rupees invested is more risky or 800? Tell me, guys. 8 is more risky or 800? Tell me, everyone. 800, right? Similarly, we never go up with the ITMs. We always go up with the which value? Which value we go with? OTMs. OTMs. Okay. We always go with OTMs. So 17,556 here and 4 in the puts area. Stop trading in the money options. Yes, the more you risk, the more risk you take, the more you can be a profitable trader. Okay, but it again depends, Like one of our students named as Nitish Nigam Singh says, "Sir, give FNO calls in 5,000 rupees." Okay, you trade FNO in 5,000, and when you have your profit, you have 1,000 rupees profit. Is it possible, guys? Every day you make 1 to 2,000 profit with the capital of 5,000 rupees only, and you make 5 ka 15 every month. Is it possible? Making 5,000, 50,000 every month, converting 5,000 into 50,000 profit every month. Is it possible? Tell me yes or no. No, it is not possible. Yes, Lewis, it is not possible. Be a normal, sensible person. How can you convert 5 ka 50 every month? Not possible. Okay, 1 month you can do, 2 months you can do, 3 months you can do, and maybe you are a legend like Einstein, sir. You can do it 8 months. Can you do it 5 years? No, it's bullshit. You cannot do it 5 years. So now, what if I say you have 1 crore? You have 1 crore. What if I say you have 1 crore of rupees? Can you make 10,000 out of it every month consistently? You have 1 crore in your hand, and can you make 10,000 every month? Batao. Good morning, Tanu Shukla. Good evening. Sorry, good evening. Nitish Nigam Singh, sir, whatever maths you do, it is not at all possible. So please stop that. Not possible, Nitish Nigam, sir, not possible. In easy words, it is my experience with 8,000 plus students today. Not possible, sir, not possible. But with 1 crore, making 10,000 every month is like nuts, peanuts. Okay. So go with the easy process. Don't complicate it a lot. Okay. And while you're choosing your FNO strike prices, always make sure they are the OTMs. So for the puts, the OTMs will be the downside, and for the calls, the OTMs will be the upside. Clear, everyone? I've already told you OTM in the ITM ATM full form, and I've already told you option Greeks. Okay, clear everyone? Please tell yes or no so that I can go accordingly. Clear everyone? Please tell me if it is clear or not. Okay, okay. It's 9:19. The chats are being delayed. Let's just wait for some time. Okay. So Namita ma'am is asking what is the difference between call and put. Namita ma'am, I would request you to please leave this batch and join batch number 13 because you are very late. We are learning about the advanced topics right now, and now you're asking what is difference between call and put. No, I'm not saying Akash the capital will change every day for you. What I'm saying is this. Whenever you are trading, you should always trade with FNO. Okay. And FNO में whenever you are trading, sorry, not always with FNO. FNO में whenever you are trading, in future and options, whenever you are trading, go with the out the money options, OTM options. Okay. Not the ITMs. Now let's learn about what a new thing which is known as option Greeks. I told you intrinsic value, extrinsic value, option chain, option interest, and max pain. So guys, intrinsic value is the IV value. It helps in the formation of premiums. Option chain have already shown you. Option interest, okay, the full form of option interest will be very easy. The total number of outstanding derivative contracts. So, for example, in very easy words, if I tell you what is the full form of option interest, the outstanding total number of contracts. Okay. So, for example, people have sold 8,000 calls, 10,000 ports in the futures. Okay. In the futures, in the options. So, this will be the OI data. And this is how it will look. You can just open this website known as Trading Tick. The website is known as Trading Tick. TRADING Trading Tick. You can just open this website and you can start reading the data from Trading Tick. Okay. And I will teach you how to read this option interest ka data. Check this out. So if you want to read this option interest data, first you have to go to this website known as Trading Ticks. You'll have this thing. You just need to log in over from here. Okay, you can just log in. Now you come to options, and this is known as options OI analysis. Is it visible clearly, everyone? Please tell me. Is it visible clearly? Is it visible clearly, everyone? Please tell me. Clear, right? So you click on this OI analysis and you get this data. You click on that OI analysis and you get this data. Then you can select Nifty or Bank Nifty of your choice. So for example, I want to see the OI data of Nifty. This is what the data is somewhere about. Can you see this data? Yes, you can see this data. Now in OI, it is opposite, okay? OI, it is opposite. If green candles are more, if green candles are more, Nifty will go down. Where will Nifty go? Nifty will go down. If green candles are more, Nifty will go down. Okay. If red candles are more here, if red candles are more, Nifty will go up. If red candles are more, Nifty will go up. See, red is for up. Similarly, if green are more, Nifty is down. So here it is opposite because it is option selling. Okay. And OI data, and this is what the graph looks like. Now tell me, where will Nifty go, up or down? Tell me guys, where will Nifty go, up or down? Which is more? Already told Lucky Star because it is safer. OTMs are safer. Clear everyone? Nifty will go down because the green lines are more. Clear? Simple. So this is OI data reading. OI data gets refreshed every 5 minutes. So what you can do is just every 5 minutes check this trading tick data. So when you check this data, you have a very clear vision if Nifty is going to go down or up. Okay. And then you also have your technical analysis done in the back end, which is telling you that if Nifty will go up or Nifty will go down. And trading tech will give you the OI data reading where you can cross check if you are right or you are wrong. So, for example, your technical analysis say Nifty will go up, but OI data says Nifty will go down. Then you should take this trade or not? No. If your technical analysis here says market will go up, okay, and your OI data here says market will go down, see, you should not take this. Why? Because it is opposite to each other. But for example, your technical analysis, okay, says market will go up, your OI data says market will go up. Should you take this trade, everyone? Would you take this trade? Yes or no? Write in the chats. Your technical analysis is telling that market should go up. Your OI data says your market should go up. Nifty should go up. Would you take this trade? Yes, you should take this trade because you have confirmations. More the confirmations in trading, more the money you print. Simple and sorted. So this is known as OI data reading. This is known as OI data reading. Do you have any doubts? Ask. Do you have any doubts? You can ask if you have any doubts. Clear, everyone? No, no, Shashank, you cannot rely just on OI. You cannot just rely on the OI data. You should have to go with more and more confirmations because the more and more confirmations you have, the more money you make. But you don't have the confirmation, the less accuracy is there. So if you want, for example, more accuracy and more money, then you should go with more confirmations. Okay, so this was all about this. Max Pain is not that necessary as for advanced, so let it be. Just telling Max Pain. Now comes in the key that is known as scanners. Okay, what actually is scanners? It is nothing like that. Make your own. OI is helpful for intraday. Yes, OI is helpful for intraday. Now, guys, let's learn about scanners. What are scanners basically? Scanners are the pre-made screening tool. This is a tool that searches the market to find stocks that can meet your user selected criteria. So, for example, you want to check out those stocks that have the upper circuit today. Upper circuit today, you want to check out those stocks. How would you check those stocks? You can use the scanners very easily. And once you have done with the scanners, it becomes very easy for you to trade them. So for example, right now, if you go and take a trade, you will find 7,000 stocks in the market. How many stocks? 7,000 companies in the market. Okay. Now, it's not literally possible, right, to just check each and every company, right? It's not just possible to check each and every company, right? So This is why the scanners are the part of our system. Scanners can be modified to find the most suitable candidates that meet your specific filter. So let's learn what actually the scanner is. So for that you need to open Google, right? You can open Google, right? I think you can open Google, very easy. Then you can just type scanner, okay? You can type the scanner name, okay, and chart link. So this is the code. You have to type scanner name and chart link. Okay. Can you type this? Yes. Now you have these scanners. For intraday, for choosing best stocks, you can use NR7IB, NR4IB. For long term, you can use 200 EMA or 200 VWMA. Okay. For upper circuit and lower circuit, you can use UC scanners or LC scanners. I'll show you some practicals also. So let's just open Google randomly. Okay, you go on Google. You have your good mindset for trading today. You want to check out which stock should I trade. Just write what? NR7IB. This. You write NR7IB, you'll see something like this. See, first one. Click on the first link, NR7IB, and you have something like this. And you have only two stocks now. Kudos. What you wanted, right? This is what you wanted. You wanted some list of stocks that are very good to trade today. And this is what you have, NR7IB. And if you have nothing in NR7IB, then you can even go for NR4IB. So when you go for NR4IB, you have quite chances of getting more stocks. Okay. So this is NR4IB. See, you have so many stocks here right now. So this is basically what NR7 and NR4 is all about. I hope this is clear to everyone. Yes, OI data is helpful for intraday. Clear everyone, please write a yes if it is clear. So now choosing a stock won't be a hassle for you. Now choosing a stock won't be a hustle for you anyway. Clear everyone? Okay, clear, right? Now let's learn about more scanners. So for example, you want to check long term. So what you'll write? 200 EMA scanner. This is for long term. You want to buy long term scanners, you can just check this out. So see, there are two stocks now. No, FNO cannot be here. Now let's learn about lower circuit, upper circuit. You know stocks, right? So stocks cannot move up, 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 up every day, right? There's a time, there's a guideline. So if you just go up, 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 it might be a very big chance that you just fall like this. So there are rules that in the 5% you have a limit, which is known as upper circuit or lower circuit. 10%, 15%, and maximum is 20%. Clear everyone? So these are the limits for some XYZ specific stocks, which is known as upper circuit and lower circuit stocks. Seven, it's your wish. It's long term. Long term means 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Minimum is three, seven. Okay. So now 5, 10, 15, 20 is known as upper circuit. Of course, right? You cannot allow something to just break all the market. You have to put it in a limit. So for example, there's a company known as Galactico. See, okay. Galactico started at 0 rupees and today it is over at 74 rupees. And every day these shares are up 5%. Every day these shares are up by 5%. Check this out. This is known as Galactico. Clear everyone? So every time it goes up, it has a limit of 5% now. Galactico has a limit of 5%. Maybe there's a stock named as D-Link. There's a stock named as D-Link, which is today 20% up, which is today 20% up after consolidating. So for like so many months, it has finally broken this. See, after just consolidating so many months, this, it came down to this level where the weak hands were just coming out of the market, and now it's just going like this. So there are upper circuit, lower circuits in the market, like 20% up, 20% down, 5% up, 5% down. And randomly there are stocks with the upper circuit and lower circuit stocks. You want to check them out, how can you? So you can just go in the Google again, and you can just write UCLC stocks. So I write here UC scanner chart link. I get the first link, I click on that, you see stocks, I see the list of upper circuit stocks with more than 20% up today. And there's a quite a high chances that if you buy this, you might end up making 1 or 2% return at least. Check this out in a paper trade. Okay. Yep, Prishika. These stocks, upper circuit and lower stocks, will not give the profit when they are traded. These stocks are getting in a circuit. 5%, 10%, 15%, 20% is the circuit for them. I hope you can understand. Okay, guys, so these are the UCLC stocks, and these are known as scanners. Now, if you want to make your own scanners, these are the formulas, but you need to learn a lot. But still, you have not even started trading. So I will say you that, sir, please start trading. Okay. Circuit is a limit, nothing else. Yeah, yeah, you can see the videos after completing your course, no worries. Can you check this out? These are known as opening range breakout, momentum with breakout, swing trading, and all the you know scanners. So if you want to learn this, this is available in the advanced course, not in the basics course, because this takes some time to teach you. Okay. Now scanners are over. You can make your own scanners, but it's going to take time. But also you can use the ready-made scanners that are available in the market that would really help you out to go proceed further. Okay. So these are the some of the names of the scanners. You can use them. Okay. Now I think UCLC NAV scanner is complete. Now we are going to learn something about algo trading. Okay. So guys, there are two, three. What actually is algo trading? Let me teach you first. Algo trading is nothing but giving a set of rules to the computers. Algo trading is nothing but giving a set of rules to the computers. So in case, for example, you want that human is making error, but instead of a human, a computer should take trades. A computer should book the profit. So you can go for algo. What actually is algo? Algo trading is also known as algorithmic trading. It is a method of executing orders using automated pre-programmed trading instructions, right? It is completely automated. It has a set of rules that it needs to follow, and computer will not make mistakes like humans does. So, for example, a human is feeling lazy, he or she might end up sleeping, but over this algo, they cannot sleep if they are feeling lazy. There is no such word that is made as feeling lazy. Clear, everyone? Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone? So the most graph patterns you have showed in the classes spans a few months time, cup handles shows, or even the gap filling or open close in the market. My question is, rather than doing intra trading, can we just play safe and buy shares in a way? Yes, Savan, you can use that. It is the safest form of trading. The safest form of trading is not just doing intraday, but if you want to become the next Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, which is an investor, who's an investor, what he does, he bought Titan shares at 3 rupees, and right now they are valued at 2,240. So this is how your wealth grows. Your wealth does not just grow like trading. You can also be an investor or a short-term trader to grow your wealth. Okay. Okay, Ayan Saib, you can just repeat the session if you don't want to watch it from this side. Algo trading again, guys. Algorithmic trading is automated trading, black box trading, or simple algo trading. It is the process of using computers programmed to follow a defined set of instructions for placing a trade in order to generate profits at a speed and a frequency that is impossible for a human trader. While you can build your own algorithm and deploy it to generate buy or sell signals, manual intervention is needed for placing orders as full automation is not permitted for retail traders. So basically, you have to do some part, but the most of the part is done by a computer today. This is algo trading, and then you have my trading secret. XYZ is the strategy where in Bank Nifty the ATMs are short at 945, which is like for example 36,200 is a market rate. So 36,200 call and put will be sold. Hedged will be 1,000 points upside in call, 1,000 points downside in put. It will buy 37,200 C, 35,200 P. Everything will be done by computer. You don't have to apply any logic. Maximum loss if happens will be 2,000 a day. Maximum profit if happens will be 4,000 a day. If nothing happens, then 255 will be square off. Okay. And now if you want to put this strategy, there's a very easy way. Open TradeTron. So you just go to Google, you just type over here TradeTron. Okay. Once you type here TradeTron, you just click on the first link. You just click on the first link. You have your strategy over here. Now, this is how you can deploy your strategy. You can go to My Strategies option. You can just create a new strategy over here, or I'll show you how. See, this is my strategy. This is completely coded, guys. This is completely coded. See, hedges for option selling. I've already taught Mohammed Ismail. Can you please go with the previous sessions if you don't remember? This is a very big topic, right? So, hedge is basically to decrease the cost of your strategy. Okay. These are the strategies which I have made, which is a single strategy. And this, if I go on teaching you completely this right now, it will take 2 hours. So I've made a pre-recorded video of how to deploy this strategy one by one because it is very long. It takes 2 to 3 hours to deploy this strategy. And if you do this strategy, you are going to make 5% in a month. If you're going to do this strategy, how much it is making you every month, everyone? How much it is making you every month? I'll just teach you. Give me 1 second. So if you invest 1 lakh rupees in this strategy, if you invest 1 lakh rupees in this strategy, you are going to get maximum of 5,000, which is 5 percentage. It is free also and paid also. It depends on you which you want to buy. So if you want to get a proper call that sir your strategy is deployed, you can go for the paid one. If you want to get a mail, so you can go for the free one. So 1 lakh rupees minimum you need to deploy for this one lot. It takes 70,000. 30,000 is for the safer part if anything happens in the strategy, and 5% you're going to make, which is 5,000 rupees. Okay. I've made a completely separate video which I'll be sharing with you guys today. It is a 3 hour or 2 hour video where I have completely thought how to deploy my strategy and what actually the strategy is all about. You can check that strategy, and I have already told you the secret, which was the strategy. And then it also comes with the back tested data. So Tradetron I told you, and now it is a back tested. So before making this strategy, I also tested that strategy manually. I have done everything, and then I came to a point that yes, this strategy works. If you want to follow all these strategy and back test, you must have to follow this at least for how many months? 6 months. If you want to follow this, you need to at least, okay. For example, I'll just make it. Give me 1 second, everyone. Suresh, you can just go and replay it, please. Okay. It will be very easy because I've given my 100% efforts there. Till then, I'll explain. If you follow this strategy, these are the rules. Okay. Number one will be 5% max profit every month, 5% max profit every month, and 1 lakh is the capital requirement. And after this 5% and 1 lakh, you have to follow it minimum for 6 months to see the returns. So if you follow it minimum for 6 months and you have 1 lakh and you generate 5% a month, you'd be easily generating somewhere around to 30%. Okay, so this is all the strategy is, and I'll be even sending you out a video where I've completely explained about this strategy, how to deploy this, because it takes time to write the codes and everything, which I've recorded in a computer in a pre-recorded video. So you can just go and manually do everything. So because it takes literally a lot of time, you have to build each and every formula over here. So whatever you are seeing here, it is a completely formula based thing. See, repair one's condition, repair second condition, where all the formulas are being put. So this is the algo. Minimum is 5,000, no? Or 3,000, 5,000 rupees a month. Maximum it even goes to 30% a month. That I am not giving you the data because then you would be very, overcharged for the strategy. I want to bluff it, okay? So guys, this was all about TradeTron, backtest, and algo. Now coming to fundamental analysis, we'll start it tomorrow, okay? So this was all about today, and we need to learn coding a little of that, and in that video I've thought it very easy. Minimum capital for FNO trade 30,000, 40,000 rupees, and for algo it is somewhere around 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees is just for my strategy. If you want to go with any normal strategy, then it takes 10,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees. 30% for the 6 months I'm talking. I'm talking about the 30% for the 6 months. It's okay, guys. The session is over. If you have any doubts, you can ask, or else you can join tomorrow's session at 9 p.m. exactly for English classes. Link in Telegram? Yep, we'll share. Okay, so I don't think so. There are a lot of doubts. How to play stop loss in fires? Shiva, I'm making a video for that. I'll share with you tomorrow. Okay. Mohammed, okay, we'll show that tomorrow. Yeah, yeah, Savan, you can definitely get 10 lakh capital. No worries at all. But you have to work at least for minimum 6 months to see the returns. Okay. Bye bye, bye bye, Bharati ma'am, bye bye, Tanu ma'am, bye bye, Shashank, Savan sir. See you all guys. Bye bye, good night. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay.